Hello everyone, welcome to Balance by Hina. My name is Hina Gupta and today I got for you is another Vinyasa flow challenging your balance as well as strength. For this class you need a mat as well as yourself. Let's get started. Starting with the top of the mat, inhale arms up and exhale go for a forward fold. Bend your knees and relax. We're going to spend some time there. If you have a tender back, I would recommend you to do my gentle yoga for lower back video after this vinyasa flow. Keep breathing normally and then slowly start rolling up and relax. Let's start with the first one. You're going to slowly inhale and bring your right knee closer to the chest. Make sure you're not leaning back as you do this. Keep straight, keep your core engaged, and then slowly take your hands down. Take your right leg back and rise into a high lunge. Again, both hands will go down. Take your left leg back into a plank. Knees, chest and chin on the mat. Slide forward cobra. Go back into down dog. And then bring your right leg again in front and rise into a high lunge. Bringing both hands down, slowly lifting your left foot off the ground and then slide your left knee towards the chest and try to stand tall. Relax. We will repeat the same from the left side now, starting with your left knee in and then slowly you're going to take both hands down, left foot back, rise into a high lunge. Both hands down again. Take your right leg back into a plank. Knees, chest and chin on the mat. Slide forward into a cobra. Go back into down dog. And bring your left leg forward and then rise into a high lunge. Bring both hands down to the ground, lift your right foot off and bring the knee closer to the chest as you stand tall. Relax. Let's add on to this. We're going to start with our right. As you inhale, lifting your right knee off and bring the knee closer to the chest. Hands will go down as you exhale. Place the right foot back and rise into a high lunge on inhale. Slowly bring both hands in front and take your left hand back as you move into a twisted lunge. Bringing both hands in front, hands will go down and take your left leg back into a plank. Knees, chest and chin on the mat. Slide forward into a cobra. Moving back into down dog. And then slowly take your right leg forward and rise into a high lunge. Bringing both hands in front, this time take your right hand back for a twist. And then slowly hands will go down onto the ground, lift your left foot off the ground and bring the knee closer to the chest as you stand tall. Very good. Let's start from the left side now. You're going to slowly inhale, lift the knee. Hands will go down as you exhale, take the left leg back and then rise into a high lunge. Both hands in front, take your right hand back into a twist. Both hands will go down, take your right leg back into a plank. Knees, chest and chin on the mat and then slide forward into a cobra, go back into down dog. And this time you're going to bring your left leg forward, rise into a high lunge. Both hands in front, take your left hand back for a twist. Hands come forward and down. Now from here you're going to lift the right leg off the ground, bring the knee closer to the chest and relax. Adding on, let's start with the right leg again. As you inhale, lift. Hands will go down on your exhale. Moving into a lunge as you inhale. Hands will come in front, take your left hand back and twist. Now this time you're going to place the left hand on the back thigh and move into a back bend. Very good. Slowly coming back into your twist and then hands down. Take your left leg back into a plank, knees, chest and chin on the mat. Slide up into a cobra, going back into a down dog, and then take your right leg forward and rise into a lunge. Both hands in front and twist from the right hand. Right hand will go on the back thigh and you're going to move into a back bend. Take your left hand up towards the ceiling and then slowly coming down. Now lift the back foot off the ground, bring the left knee towards the chest and relax. Let's repeat the same on the left side. Inhale, lifting the left knee off. Slowly exhale, place your hands on the ground, rising up into a lunge. Hands come in front. This time the right hand will go back into a twist. Right hand on the back thigh and moving into a back bend. Coming back into a twist, hands in front, hands going down. Take your right leg back into a plank, knees, chest and chin on the mat. Slide forward into a cobra, moving back into a down dog, and then slowly lifting your left leg forward and rise into a lunge again. Both hands in front, take your left hand back into a twist. Place the left hand on the back thigh, moving into a back bend. Slowly coming back, hands going down onto the ground. And then lift the right leg off the ground, bring the knee closer to the chest as you stand tall and relax. Excellent guys, now it's time to just flow. Let's start with the right knee going up. Slowly the hands going down, placing the right foot back and rising into a lunge. Keep breathing normally. Bring both hands in front and go for a twist on the left. Slowly moving into a back bend. And then bring your hands down towards the ground. Take your left leg back into a plank. Knees, chest and chin on the mat. Slide up into a cobra, going back into a down dog, and then bring your right leg forward and rise into a lunge. Bringing both hands in front, twist towards the right and then go for a back bend. Very good. Slowly bringing both hands down towards the ground and then lift your left knee off the ground. Bring it to the chest and relax. Let's start on the left. You're going to lift the left knee up. Slowly bring the hands down. Take the left leg back and rise into a high lunge. Bring both hands in front and then twist towards the right. Let's move into a back bend. Bringing both hands in front, hands will go down towards the ground. Take your right leg back into a plank. Knees, chest and chin on the mat. Slide up into a cobra and let's go back into down dog. Bringing the left leg in front and go into a high lunge. Let's move into a twist towards the left side and going for a back bend. Again bringing both hands down towards the ground. Transfer your body weight towards the right leg and bring the right knee towards the chest as you rise up. Very good. Just one last to go guys. Starting with your right leg up towards the chest. Slowly going down with your hands. Right leg will go back and rise into a lunge. Both hands in front. Take a twist towards the left side. Going for a back bend. Both hands come down and take your left leg back into a plank. Knees, chest and chin on the mat. Slide up into a cobra, going back into a down dog, and then slowly bring your right leg forward, rising into a lunge. Hands in front, take a twist towards the right. Going for a back bend. And bring both hands down towards the ground. And then transfer your body weight towards the right and lift the left leg up and relax. Very good. Starting on the left, both hand goes down and go into a lunge. Hands in front, twist towards the right first, going for a back bend, and then bring the hands down towards the ground. Let's take the right leg back into a plank, knees, chest and chin on the mat, slide up into a cobra, going back into a down dog, left leg forward, rising into a lunge. Both hands in front, twist towards the left and go into a back bend. Very good. Both hands in front and then slowly transfer your body weight towards the left leg. Bring your right knee up as you stand tall and relax. Excellent job guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. I will be mentioning how many rounds one should do in the description box below, so do check it out. And it's all about a build up, so keep practicing. Once again, thank you so much for joining. Have a great day.